known?
I'm Harry, and wine is always damn good.
Did you know that we live on Mount Etna 6 months of the year?
Yes, sweetheart, I know that. You're there with me. But the key to that question really is, because Mount Etna is blowing like crazy right now, and the media always blows everything way over the top.
Perspective.
Yeah, and Mount Etna blows, yes, it blows all the time. But not like they want everybody to die. Nobody's ever died there on that thing. So, yes, we live there with Loredana and Orazio.
And are they safe?
Yeah, and we just talked to them.
Yeah, we called
And they
them.
said they're perfectly safe. Everything is good. Here
are two godfathers chatting and talking on Mount Etna. Did you know they made ashtrays out of molten lava?
Yes. Of course, Orazio filled us in last year when we were there, and on how they did it. They take these long rods. He says, they take these long sticks with spoons on the end, and I said, what, are they barbecuing? He says, no, they pick up the lava and then they put it into a mold, and then they squeeze it, and they make ashtrays out of it and sell to tourists. And did you know that they stopped all this in 1984?
Yeah, this long stick.
Yeah, and doing barbecues.
No, with a cup at the end.
Yes.
They will spoon up the liquid lava, and then they had a press, throwing them and make ashtrays.
Ashtrays
Out of the liquid lava, yeah. And
How did they get so
all
close?
the tourists were buying them, hot from the field.
But they don't allow that anymore. You can't get
No, they don't allow it anymore.
No.
I think I must have a ashtray left over, but I don't know what it is.
Cheers. Ciao.
Salute.
Salute.
Salute, bella.
Salute. So you mean to say, what year was that? Back in the
82?
in the 80s? 70s? 80s?
No, until 1984.
Oh, really? That there have only been 3 deaths in total on Mount Etna in the known history.
Yes. And Orazio told us that last year when we did an interview with him, that those 3 deaths didn't even come from the lava because the lava flows so slow. It came by maybe a rock hitting somebody on the head or whatever. That's all they know. They're just those 3 deaths in known history.
Yeah, exactly.
Ciao. And Mount Etna, in all these years, they only know of 3 people that died. 3 people. All these years.
See, and for accident, not by lava, maybe something hit the head, something.
Yeah, accident, yes.
Okay.
3, yes. But not from the lava flow.
No.
Did you know the law is you must drain all cisterns before you leave the mountain?
Yes. Another one of Orazio's little comments to us when we interviewed him, and he told us why it had to be drained. Because it comes down so quick, and the lava hits the cisterns, goes inside, steam goes automatically, and it's like an H-bomb going on. Orazio, take it away.
There is a regulation. I don't know if I
It's
told
always
you.
banging, and it's always doing something.
There is a regulation. If, let's say, the lava come this way,
Right.
so you wait to go until the last minute,
Yes.
because may stop or may go another way.
Well, yeah.
But the government says before you leave the house, you have to empty the reservoir of water,
Why?
because if the lava hit the impact, water and fire, it will be so big that it will be like a bomb.
Oh, so you got to empty your pool.
You have to empty.
The pool or the well?
By law.
Everything, all water outside.
The water of the tank needs to be empty. Otherwise, it will be a big explosion.
Oh, the tank will explode. Poof.
The whole thing, the lava falls inside there, the heat.
And
The last major blow on Mount Etna was 1669. Did you know they found a winery intact just recently underneath the lava flow?
Yes, I know. And you know how I know? Because Orizio told us so. And he has a wealth of information. And he explains it very well on how they found it and what happened to it and how he thinks it actually went over top. So he's explaining all that. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
You know where they gravel in the turn there is a machine that they grind the lava?
Yes, the lava, yeah.
They had this excavator,
Yes, they've got tons of, they got,
chunks of lava to
Yeah.
be grinded.
yes.
So we're hitting the lava and the lava collapsed. It was like they went in. It was a winery, double my house, double, intact, underneath the lava.
No.
See, you know the son of a bitch what they did before the authority they came to look at, they demolished everything because they didn't want to be stopped, you know.
Yeah, because they would have.
What a damage they did. Inside the house there was even they left the metal bed. They took the mattress but left the metal bed. The metal bed was intact. The whole thing was intact.
Why did they destroy it? They didn't want to be.
Well, I can show you another house nearby there. Another winery, a friend of mine, that the lava brushed the side of the house.
Amazing.
But that would have been a good attraction.
Oh,
Yeah.
they would have made money. Instead of selling sand, lava sand, they could have made tons of money.
Stupid people,
Oh,
stupid people. The distribution of wine to go into the barrels was all lava stone.
They destroyed the whole
They
thing.
destroyed the whole freaking thing. Should go in jail.
Crazy. Would have been nice to see. I would have paid to see that. I would pay to see
You live in Tuesday, right?
Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday morning.
So maybe Monday morning, half an hour,
Okay.
we'll pay a visit to my friend.
Sure.